have to show you how beautiful it is right now. It is so gorgeous out right now. Hi, it is Wednesday. I'm on my way to go teach. I have a couple students upstate. I love my students. They are so cute. And we're going to be working on rock music. I love it. I love that you can be a musician and you don't have to be classical. You gotta just find what makes you tick. So anyway, that's my goal in teaching, is to find what makes my students tick, what they're excited about playing, what makes them practice. Because if you like what you're doing, you'll want to practice it. So that's Wednesday's musings from upstate. It's so pretty out today. Oh, love it. Okay, hi, I just got this crazy email notification, 3:19 p.m. It's 3:26 right now. New York City is aware of unconfirmed reports of an earthquake in New York City, New Jersey area. New York City Merchant Ministries, they're consulting the U.S. Geological Survey. Was there an earthquake? City girl? City girl, was there an earthquake?
Country girl? It's me, City girl. I'm bundled. I just watched your video and I had no idea that there was an earthquake in New York City. I Googled a little. It looks like they've turned it into a sonic boom. What? What's going on? More soon. Investigations are needed.
It's a winter wonderland. It's so pretty out right now. I am heading out to the compost pile right now, but I thought I'd do a little quick snow walk. It's really beautiful. Anyway, we are about to head into the city, and I guess you would say country boy has a gig. And and I have a yoga workshop tomorrow. It's a hard life, right? And I think I get to see City Girl tonight. I'm very excited. And in the meantime, just going to show you the beauty that is before me.
City girl and country girl just shared a cocktail. Now country girl is about to put on, what do we call it? Poncho? A poncho, but it's so much more than a poncho. The drama. Yay!
Something's going on, I don't know. I am just back from a wonderful night with City Girl, as you guys saw, and I'm walking home and I'm like, I'm kind of hungry still. And I know that my husband made pasta with sauce, and I was like, that's not really healthy. Maybe I'll go and get eggs and boil eggs and have eggs for dinner. And then I was like, no, you know what? There's this really good pizza place. And they have these pepperoni squares, and I think it's called Village Pizza. I'm not really sure, but here's basically what it looks like. It is so good. And I was like, oh my God, he gave me the biggest piece. I might have to eat it all. Hey, we don't have good pizza upstate, so you got to eat it while you can.
Good morning. It's Saturday morning. Gracie and I slept in a little bit, and we just passed this little girl learning to walk. We're heading to Central Park. She was, I don't know, when do kids start walking? 1? She was tiny, and she was learning to walk, and she was dressed in the cutest, totally mismatched, colorful outfit. And she reached out to my sweater on my arm, see? She reached out like this. It was so cute. And her mom said, I think you're kindred spirits. And I said, I think so. It was so cute. All right, have a good day, everybody.
Okay, I popped into Babies R Us. Check out this doll. It's kind of creepy. You walk by it and they come alive.
Hey, Susan, where are we at? Private screening?
Okay?
There's nobody.
Do what you want to do.
Except us. Woohoo!
Thanks for watching. We're ending with Gracie. Bath time photos. Isn't she the cutest? If you like what you saw, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and check us out on Instagram and Twitter, and we'll see you next week. I think we're coming up on 1 year of vlogging. So exciting. Bye.